Electronic doorbell.
Out of battery. It's just a decoration now.
Buy and try it. 40 Chinese yuan.
Not cheap.
Our home has this extra thick, very heavy security door. If you knock like this, not only does it hurt, but inside, you can't hear a thing. Usually, if someone wants to knock,
They have to do this. Let's give it a try. Peel off the tape.
look inside the door and see what the display of this tester shows.
It's over 50 if you don't knock.
Knocking with knuckles.
Slapping the door. Woodpecker knocking.
Oh my god!
Is it loud?
Loud.
Is it loud?
Loud.
Very loud.
It's knocking with over 90 decibels.
You can hear a woodpecker knocking on the door, right?
Oh my god, so loud!
Awesome! No need to test indoors at all.